If you need Excel to make a decision, use an if statement. For example, if we have a list of test scores from 0 to 100, we can have Excel assign a pass if it's above 70 and a fail if it's below. I'll show you. So I've got the test score for each student, and I'll first determine if they passed or failed, then I'll assign a specific letter grade. So in this case, if the score, I'll select the score, is greater than or equal to 70, then it's a pass. I always put what happens if the condition is met. I put that first. And then if it's not met, I'll put fail. Now to assign this all the way down the field, I'll double-click the bottom right corner of the cell. Next, I'll assign a specific letter grade based on the score. And to keep it simple, we'll just assume you can get an A, B, or F. There's other letter grades though, but that's okay for now. And I'll write this using a nested if, which combines multiple if statements. So if the score is greater than or equal to 90, it's an A. However, if it's not, go to the next if statement, and I'll add it right after the comma. So if it's not greater than or equal to 90, I'll check that again, but it's greater than or equal to 70, so like 70 to 89, then it would be a B. Now, if it's below 70, it's going to be an F. And I'm going to close this with two parentheses since we have two if statements. And I'll double-click the bottom right corner of the cell to drag the formula all the way down. So I've got a normal if statement and then a nested if. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more. And if you want to go deeper, I have a full Excel course in the links below.